Historically, the discovery of medicines has taken place in the global north, where the infrastructure, technology platforms, and the talent exists. In Africa, the infectious disease burden is extremely high. The goal of Ersilia is to focus on developing machine learning tools which are specifically geared towards implementation in low to medium income countries. Ersilia does an analysis of the published clinical trial protocols, clinical trial results, and real-world data so that we can provide evidence of how we can better design future clinical trials and therefore better outcomes.
Hello, I am Gemma Turon, and I co-founded the Ersilia open source initiative to help scientists cure the most neglected diseases. I am a molecular biologist. When you picture a lab scientist, white coat, and mixing colorful liquids, that was me. But during my PhD studies, I also had to spend a lot of time in front of the computer doing data analysis. Luckily, I had access to cutting-edge software and expertise. These technologies were key to the project's success. But tech is a privilege. Across the global south, scientists do not have access to these tools. Low-income countries produce less than 5% of the world's research. This means that their population has to rely on solutions devised elsewhere. Take malaria. A scientist working to cure malaria needs to design new molecules, test these molecules' effectiveness and side effects, and finally, evaluate them in the clinics. Artificial intelligence can speed up research and reduce the cost at every step. But AI technologies are unaffordable to scientists in the global south. This implies that although almost all malaria infections happen in Africa, malaria drugs are being developed in high-income countries. Malaria is but one example. Millions of people still die of infections every year. We created Ersilia to help in-country scientists cure the diseases their own people face. With our platform, scientists can easily select and run AI models to accelerate scientific discovery. We offer a ready-to-use, no-code platform. All our tools are open source, and our users can share their data to help generate new models. We are working together to find a cure for infectious diseases. Our model is working. Our pilot in South Africa is currently serving 100 researchers, scaling their capacity to find a better malaria drug. We will partner with institutions across the global south. Together, we will implement Ersilia's technology and train scientists on how to use it. Both my co-founder and I are highly trained PhD researchers. With over 10 years of experience in the field, we've published tens of papers and received awards for our work. We have also been involved in developing projects in low-income countries for the last 5 years. The pandemic has shown us that diseases have no borders. But science does. We are raising $1 million to implement Ersilia in 10 new institutions across the global south in the next 2 years. The labs of today need microscopes. The labs of the future need AI. Help us equip labs in low-income countries with the tools to accelerate scientific discovery. Thank you.